To connect HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro into your Android phone, first of all, you will have to click and hold the crown control button to turn on your smartwatch, and now you have to select language. So now we have to use a QR code to download dedicated application. On your phone, you have to find the QR code scanner and align the QR code of the smartwatch into the frame. When you will get this redirection, you will have to click open. Now select your smartphone brand. For me, that's a Nothing phone, so I have to select other. Click reload. If you have any cookies notifications, just accept all of them. And now click on the installation button. Now you have to select to install to download via browser, because if you select the first option, you will download the Huawei store. It's like the Google Play Store, but from Huawei. So it's not necessary actually. When downloaded, you will have to click on this APK file. Click on the installation file. Wait for the loading screen. Now click to open. Now we have to select our region. So click here and simply select your region from the list. Click next. Click next. Click agree. Accept all of those necessary permissions to let work application properly. You can even enable this additional feature to show step count in this notification panel on your phone, which is really great actually extension, and I would like to get this. Now we have to go for me in the right bottom corner. Now we have to click to devices and click to add device. Now you will be redirected to the website and you will have to log in to the Huawei account. So if you don't have account, you will have to create account by clicking register and following on screen instructions. Or you can just simply log in by using your phone number. Or if you already have account, just input your details. Now if you have that verification, you will have to align. And now if you have this notification, you will have to verify your identity by clicking to get code, and now just go for your email to find that code. So as you can see, you will receive this email. You will have to click and hold that verification code, click copy, and now just go for application and put it just over here. If not working, you can use the other verification method, or simply check if you are inputting the proper email address. Click OK to confirm. Now we have to allow Huawei Health app to find nearby devices. Make sure that your watch is still turned on. And as you can see, you should find right now this option with connection. Now we have to accept all of those permissions. So click allow for everything. Now it's the connection process, so keep both devices close to each other. And now accept the pairing request on your HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro and do the same. Just accept everything, literally everything one by one on your phone and on your watch. Here we have the terms of the use, so we have to scroll all the way down, click here and go for next. There's also the fall detection. Now, what I can recommend you to enable this auto download over the Wi-Fi, auto install updates and restart device when it's not in the use, so you will always get the latest software. Click continue. And right now, as you can see, we have to enable another necessary permissions by clicking on the settings. So how it looks for the battery optimization, go for the quick settings. Now go for applications list on your phone. You have to search for the Huawei Health application, and you will have to set the battery usage restriction. So you have to enable allow background usage. So if you have any problem with finding all of those permissions, you can even see two descriptions for the different smartphones. So you have to just simply follow those paths. So now when you enable everything, you will have to click done, click continue. And here you can quickly manage notifications. So you can select from which application you want or don't want to receive notifications, and you will have to click done. Now we get the system permissions requirement, and there's like 3 months of Huawei Health Plus and exclusive benefits. Honestly, I don't want to use it. I just want to click to authorize and enable and other things. Now we can find some extra instructions for heart rate measurement, and it looks like that we are successfully connected right now. So now we have to grab our watch. We have to click next, 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 and click done. And as you can see, we are successfully connected right now. So as you can see, you can actually navigate with using the crown control. It actually mimics the base gestures that you can also do manually on your screen. So if you cannot actually touch your screen for some problems, you've got wet hands, then you can do this with your crown control, which is actually pretty useful.